Welcome back to another video. My name is Motion Effects, and today we're gonna break down two W trades we took today. We made $400 in the day today, so today I'm gonna break down these trades and go through these trades and show you guys why we took these setups today. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see right here, this is the trade we caught. This is one of the trades we caught. This is our NAS 100. We caught a 1 to 2 risk to reward. I'm gonna break this down and show you guys why I took this trade. So now we go in a 5 minute time frame, right? And I'm gonna mark up where I came into the markets today, like I always do. I do this every single video. If y'all don't know how to trade by now, bro, y'all just dumb. But you guys can see this vertical line right here is where I came into the market. I came into the market at 9 a.m. Right? Pre-market, you zoom out. I seen that price is in an uptrend. Price is making higher highs, higher lows. As you guys can see right here. Jesus. Give me 1 second. Okay. As you guys can see right here, price making higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. So I knew prices in an uptrend and we were looking for buys. We was not looking for sells, we were looking for buys. So I marked my support and resistance zone. Now I'm gonna clear the chart so it makes it more easier for you guys. I'm gonna break it down. So I came into the market at 9 a.m., which was right here. I seen that we had resistance right here, and I seen that we had a support zone right here, right? But for me to take a sell position and not a buy position, price would have to break this low right here. So I'll mark that out also. Now we had support, we had resistance. We were looking for buys, right? So I seen that price had a zone right here also. A strong zone that price is respecting right here. Right here. I'm gonna mark this zone for you guys properly. So this blue zone, seeing that price made a zone right here also. Now, pre-market, I only look for breakouts at 9:30 a.m. Nothing before, only at 9:30 a.m. or a little bit after. So coming up to 9:30 a.m., price was below this zone, which makes this zone become a resistance zone. Now, when we're looking for buys, we look for breakouts of the resistance zone. We don't look for breakouts of the support zone. So price broke below this zone. This was support. When price is up here, this zone was support. This zone was support because price is above. So price broke above, made it the floor. As you guys can see, price bounced off of it. So it was a floor. Now price broke below the zone, which makes it a roof. The resistance is a roof. So I wanted to see price break above this zone for me to enter on a buy position because if we're looking for buys, we want to see a breakout of resistance, which is the roof. If we're looking for sells, we're gonna be looking for a breakout of support, which is the floor. So I wanted to see a breakout of this zone, which is what we got. So you guys can see 9:30, 9:25 right here. We got a little breakout, but I didn't enter because, like I said, I only take trades at 9:30 a.m. or after. I don't enter before 9:30 because normally if price breaks above before 9:30, then price is probably gonna retrace and then sometimes it will stop you out or sometimes it will just retrace and then keep going up. But I didn't want to take that chance, so I stayed disciplined. I waited until 9:30. Okay. So we waited until 9:30. As you guys can see right here, 9:29, 9:28, price came back down. 9:29, price broke out. I was still patient. I waited until 9:30. It doesn't matter if it was a minute away, a couple of seconds away. I wait until the clock says 9:30 a.m. As you guys can see right here, 9:30 hits, and this candle, we got a push, breakout, I entered right here on the breakout, and I put my stop below this zone, this white support zone right here. And then I targeted these highs. Let me zoom out and show you guys. I'm going to 15-minute time frame. I targeted these highs right here, and we absolutely cashed. for that trade. 1 to 3 risk to reward. Actually, it was a 1 to 2. I'm tweaking. Oh my god. It was a 1 to 2 risk to reward. It was an easy, simple trade. We cashed. We made $300 in this trade. So it was a good trade. Nice and simple. Price is in an uptrend, so we're looking for buys. If price is in a downtrend, then we're looking for sells. But as you guys can see, like I showed you guys, we zoom out, price is in an uptrend, right? Price is making higher highs, higher lows, right? You draw the trend line, price is in an uptrend, so we'll be looking for buys. Price is in a downtrend, making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Then we'll be looking for sells. But as you guys can see, price is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So we knew we were looking for buys. So I was looking for buys, waited for the breakout of that resistance zone at 9:30 a.m. I entered, put my stop below the recent zone right here, and I targeted whatever zone we wanted to target, and we cashed for $300. Now I took partials at these zones right here. So this blue line, that I just changed color, I'm gonna change it to a different color so it's easier for you guys. I'm gonna change it to yellow. This yellow line, I took partial profits and I went break even. So whenever price broke through this zone, I went break even. I put my stop above my entry point. So if price was to retrace, we wouldn't lose any money. And I took partial profits. So I took like $100 right here. Like I took one lot. I traded with 3 or 2 lots. Today I traded with 2 lots. So I took one lot away and I took $100 and I just kept the rest of the trade running. So if price was to reverse, we wouldn't have lost any money. So that was a W trade. We made $300 in that trade. I'm gonna break down the other trade and show you guys. Now this other trade did not hit full TP. Why? Because US 30 has not been the best so lately. So I had to close this trade early. But if we held it longer, we would have definitely hit TP, full TP. But I just didn't want to like wait that long. One of my rules is I don't trade after 11 a.m. So when price was, I was holding it after 11 a.m. So I was like, I'm gonna just close it. But it was basically the same thing with this trade. Came into the market at 9 a.m. Same thing. I'm gonna mark 9 a.m. Came into the market on that vertical line, right? Pre-market, I seen that price is making higher highs, higher lows. Prices in an uptrend. As you guys can see, price is trending to the upside. Okay, price is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and so on. So price is in an uptrend. We're looking for buys. Now, what I did the same thing, right? Came in at 9 a.m. I seen that we had a high right here. I marked that as resistance, and I marked this zone as support. So I'm gonna just delete these zones for right now and break it down for you guys. So we have resistance and we have support, right? Now anything after this vertical line, we're not worrying about it right now because let's just pretend like this isn't here. We're breaking down the trade. We're breaking down pre-market what we saw, how we took this trade. So I seen that we had resistance. I seen that we had support. Now I seen that we had some zone. I seen that we had a zone right here in between, right? So what I did, I used this zone as an entry point. I marked this zone up and it was basically the same thing. Price broke below this zone, which made it the roof. Price was above this zone, it was the floor. Once it broke through the floor, it became the roof. Now, since we're in an uptrend and we're looking for buys, we want to see a breakthrough of the roof, not the floor. If you guys understand what I'm trying to say. If we're in a downtrend, we'll be looking for a breakthrough of the floor, which is the support zone, which is this zone right here. But we were in an uptrend, so I was looking for a breakthrough of this zone. Why? Because price broke below it, which made it the roof. So simple, 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 simple. We waited 9:30 a.m. As you guys can see, this is the 9:30 candle. We got that breakthrough right here. We entered, put our stop below this recent zone, and we targeted a 1 to 2. Now, yours 30 was at all-time highs, so I didn't really have a zone to target. Like I couldn't really go back and check and see if there's any zones I can specifically target, but I just targeted a 1 to 2 safe. This is what I targeted, but as you guys can see, price went up in profit, came back down, went up in profit, came back down, and price is just doing that for the whole time. So I closed profit on this candle right here. So I closed profit at a 1 to 1 risk to reward. No, I'm tweaking. I closed profit right here at this zone. Like I did the same thing on the last trade. So I wanted to see price break out of this zone and I would have went break even, but I didn't because price didn't give me a good breakout right here. As you guys can see, it was a little small wick. I didn't get enough volume. So I didn't go break even just yet. As you guys can see, price came back down. If I went break even, I definitely would have got stopped out. And we still didn't got a breakout. Price was just going up and down, up and down. And I just, one of my rules is I don't hold trades past 11 a.m. I don't trade past 11 a.m. I just get into the market at 9 a.m. After a win, I get out the market. If I don't get a win, I stay in the market until 9 a.m. So after I like, oh my bro, what the fuck? If I don't get a trade or a win, I stay in the market until 11 a.m. So I trade from 9 till 11 a.m. 9 a.m. till 11 a.m. So we got the breakout 9:30 a.m. We took the trade, put our stop below the recent zone, which is this zone right here, the support zone, and we targeted a 1 to 2, but we only took profit at this zone right here. We just closed the trade out at this zone, which is a 1 to 1 risk to reward, and we only made $100 in this trade, right? Now, once again, if I held the trade longer, I would have definitely cashed my 1 to 2, as you guys can see. If we just held it longer, price would have definitely cashed, but I just didn't have the patience. Like US 30 has been really bad this week, and I kind of had a feeling that price was gonna hit our TP because of the election and Donald Trump won. So obviously, like the prices are gonna be going up, but I didn't want to wait. I was impatient, so I just took what we got. I didn't want to lose any money, so I just took it, took the 1 to 1, and I was good for the day. So today we made $400 overall. It was a good trading day. We could have made more money just if we was patient, but it's fine. We took a W and we didn't lose any money today. So yeah, if you guys want to trade with me every single day live on Discord, click the link in the description below. It's completely free, no money. It's literally free money. So you don't gotta pay nothing. Just click the link, join, and start your trading journey. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Motion FX. Follow me on TikTok at Motion FX and start your trading journey. Quit your 9 to 5 job and let's become profitable.